Poor Brady was rescued by Good World Animal Rescue and Protection, GWARP. About 5 months ago, Brady has been used like a rag doll for the local children, who beat, kicked, and stoned his frail body. The horrendous actions covered him with endless bruises, which ultimately led to the massive tumor that swallows his face more and more every day. Weighing in at just a mere 10 pounds, poor Brady has spent his days dragging the tumor that is half the size of his already tiny figure. Each day he was forced to wander the streets enduring the ridicule and disgust from the people who saw him as just another unwanted and dirty stray. As of now, the tumor has begun to push into his eye socket, so he will need lots of testing and a very complicated surgery. From past experience and the sheer sight of him, he is far too weak to go under anesthesia for such a long surgery. That being said, he will need intensive therapy and treatment to gain his strength back. And, depending on the removal, he may require additional chemotherapy. He eats using the left side of his mouth, and his appetite is great. This little guy really wants to live. He's energetic and continuously wags his tail. Sadly, the tumor on his face is suspected to be cancerous as it is hard and quite large, about 10 to 12 centimeters, 4 to 5 inches. He's also severely malnourished.
Brady.
About 5 weeks after rescued, he went in for testing again and scans at a new pet hospital with modern equipment. We received a message from the main surgeon in a top hospital that said, in sum, send Brady ASAP, we think he can be saved. And huge news. Brady was flown out for an emergency surgery to have a massive tumor removed from his face. A month ago, we were told to put Brady down. We were told this stray dog had no chance. The doctors at Veterana Medical Park thought otherwise and worked quickly and aggressively as soon as he arrived. The 5+ pound mass taking over his face is officially removed. After 1 month of living in a hospital, Brady is finally discharged. His foster mom has promised to give him lots of walks, playtime, and cuddles, until we figure out the next step. Life is a precious gift. Please fight for your pet to stay alive. And today, he is still living in a foster home until a time that he can fly to the US. His expected arrival date in New York is end of September. In the meantime, he's playing with toys, getting lots of walks, and sleeping on couches. Life is finally good for Brady. It's truly incredible how far he's come. Please support Good World Animal Rescue and Protection, GWARP.